In a shocking development, Raghav Chadha had been removed as the Aam Aadmi Party's deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha. The party announced that Ashok Kumar Mittal, a Rajya Sabha MP from Punjab, is set to take over the role. The Rajya Sabha Secretariat has also been informed of the decision. This move follows the party's request to remove Chadha from the post. Sources revealed that the communication also specifies that Chadha, who is also a Rajya Sabha MP from Punjab, should not be allotted speaking time in the House from the Aam Aadmi Party's quota. Currently, the Aam Aadmi Party has 10 members in the Rajya Sabha, including 7 from Punjab and 3 from Delhi. Ashok Kumar Mittal said that the party's national convener has entrusted him with the role of deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha. He added that he will discharge his duties sincerely and represent both the party's stance and national interests forcefully in the House. Downplaying the change, Mittal termed it a routine process, noting that earlier N.D. Gupta held the deputy leader post in the upper house, followed by Chadha. Now, I have been given this role. Our party wants all MPs to learn, and probably in that context, I have been given this role so that I can learn the process and administrative skills in politics, he said, adding that the party remains strong. The reshuffle comes amid Chadha's prolonged silence on matters related to the Aam Aadmi Party and his absence from several public events led by party supremo Arvind Kejriwal, once considered a close confidant of Kejriwal and among the youngest MPs in the country. Chadha played a key role in party affairs, particularly in Punjab and during the Aam Aadmi Party's tenure in Delhi. However, his position has changed in recent months. Chadha was abroad for medical reasons when Kejriwal, then former Delhi Chief Minister, was arrested in connection with the excise policy case in March 2024. He remained away during Kejriwal's nearly 6-month imprisonment and met him only a few days after his release on September 13, 2024. More recently, Chadha remained silent when Kejriwal, former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders were discharged by a Delhi court in the excise case. He also missed Kejriwal's press conference and a rally at Jantar Mantar following the court's relief. Party leaders claim that Chadha has been increasingly sidelined from political campaigns and organizational matters in other states. However, he has remained vocal in parliament and outside, raising issues such as high airfares and the condition of gig workers. Interestingly, hours after his removal, Chadha posted a video on social media highlighting the issues he raised as deputy leader of the party in the House, underscoring his continued engagement with parliamentary matters.